We're going to look into how do we pre-process the text uh, for text mining purposes. Now, here what we are going to do is we are going to also see how do we use RE, that is regular expression, for pre-processing. So this is what we are going to see in this particular topic. So first of all, how do we convert the entire text to lowercase? So if we have certain text in uppercase and some text in lowercase, it is going to get treated differently, which we might not want. So we convert the entire text to lowercase. We remove whatever HTML tags are there, and removing any kind of URL, removing punctuations, removing any chat words that are there, spelling correction to be done, handling stop words. Stop words are the common words that we see, like is, at, the. Then we are also going to see how do we handle emojis and perform tokenization, and then stemming and lemmatization. So these are the various text pre-processing tasks that we are going to do. Now after performing this, our text will be ready for further processing, and that will be the word embeddings, which we are going to see later. So initially, let us see about the RE library. Now this helps us to, this particular RE, it helps us to understand how can we pre-process the text for various purposes. See, here when I say re.match, I am passing a string here and I am asking to look in this particular sentence. So it looks for it and then it shows the result that this is where it appears. So initially when I call this match, at the start of the string it is being applied. So as you can see, the method description also try to apply the pattern at the start of the string, returning a match object or none if no match was found. So in case if there is a match, it will return a match object, as we can see. So it gets applied in the start of the text. Here as we can see, it is appearing somewhere in the middle, and so it does not get processed. I can, if I want to look for, match will look at only at the initial portion of the string. If I want to look for the text in the middle, then I go use the search method, and with the search method it will give me this output. I can also make use of I can also make use of find all, and then I pass the string and whatever text that I am looking for. So here it shows me that founded appears twice. I'm looking for bay. So now /b returns a match where the specified pattern is at the beginning or is at the end of the word. So bay does not appear. It does appear in the middle, but then that does not help. So /b helps me to find out the specified pattern either at the beginning or at the end. The next one is /d plus. Now /d plus means multiple occurrences of digits. So here it gives me this. So even if I give a 20 million here, it shows me multiple occurrences of digits. Now for the same string, /w plus is going to segregate the entire string into words. So, and this is the result that it gives. In find all, here I can just pass a string. Now here, if I have a dot indicates RO followed by a single one single character, one another character. So let's say if I have ROB here, that also gets included because it is looking for RO and one single character. Let's say if I only have RO. As you can see, this does not get included because it does not have a single character after the string. Now let's say here I say RO dot dot dot. So here this will be taken RO followed by 3 other characters. This will be taken RO followed by 3 other characters, but this RO will not get included. Next, let us see about this particular caret symbol. Now caret symbol looks for the data, looks for the word here data in the string, and here the string is food science. Let me show you. Here caret symbol will help me to check at the beginning, helps me to check at the beginning if the word appears at the beginning. Then there is dollar. Dollar will help me to check if the string ends with that particular word. So for ends with, I make use of dollar. For any number of characters in between, I specify a star. So easy is taken. This easy is taken. Now S. So this particular basically indicates 0 or more occurrences of S. So as you can see, this is taken, this is taken. This is also taken because I am looking for 0 or more occurrences. But EATY is not taken because it includes a T. So here I have a string and I want to eliminate any kind of unwanted special characters. So I pass the regular expression to it, which is, I first of all wanted to split it into words. So when I split it into words, none of the special characters get included. And then after that, using a space, I just join all with whatever result that I get, and that gives me the entire string without the special characters. If I do not want to include the special character, if I do not want to join it with a space, then I can make use of the sub method. So it will return the string obtained by replacing the leftmost non-overlapping occurrences of the pattern in the string by the replacement, and the replacement can be either a string or a callable. So here I am replacing all the spaces with nothing. So here it gives me the string just as such without any spaces in between. Let's say if I put a slash here, and so it gives me the entire string like this. If I do not give anything, it just gives me the entire text. So let me just so sub basically helps me to substitute, and here what I'm trying to substitute is I'm looking for the pattern where it begins with small a to z or capital A to z, and then after that I am replacing it with I am adding a space earlier. So as you can see, a space gets added. So I am replacing all these with a space. Now let us look for finding the email addresses. So here with this, I'm trying to remove all non-alphabetic characters, and that is done with the help of substitute. So here, whatever is not spaces. So let me show you one more example here. Let me put str. Where is this particular string? Here is the string. Now you will see that this was what it was. Let me try to include some 1 2 3 4 here, and you will see that whatever are non ABC characters, everything gets substituted with the spaces. So this is in a way getting all the characters alone. And the last one is checking on the email IDs. So there are various email IDs that are listed. How can I get the email IDs from all this? So here, first of all, I'm looking for anything that begins with A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9, dot, underscore, and anything. So I'm looking for multiple characters, and then after that there will be an @ symbol followed by again a series of characters. So this indicates multiple occurrences of these, and then there will be a dot, and then again there are going to be characters, and finally here again, here I will not have, see here I cannot have anything numbers. So after dot I cannot have anything like numbers. So it helps me to do that. So the initial A to Z 0 to 9 underscore dot that you see, that matches the username, at matches the at, and then after that there is the domain name like Gmail, Yahoo, or whatever, and then after that it is the dot, and then finally it is the domain extension. Here what does this indicate is that the character should appear at least, that is there should be 2 occurrences of this. Let's say if I say C, only C, then it is not listed because it is not satisfying the criteria. If I see CO, it is minimum of 2 and maximum of any, then it gets included. So these are the ways in which we can so I specify the pattern here, and I'm finding all using the find all method. I specify the pattern in the string that is there, and then it gives me all the email addresses that are there. Further, what we are going to see is how do we apply various tasks of pre-processing to this particular data. This is the data that is available online. So further we will see how we can apply pre-processing to this data, like lowercase, how do we remove HTML tags, and so on.